wicked little fella that goes among us here, and the wickedness that Adam is telling far and near. He's prowling in the haggart and in at every door, and coaxing and persuading, and his name is Traa the Liooar. The fields is full of Cushags, and the gates is patched with gorse. You can hardly see the harness for the mire upon the horse. And the cows are shouting shocking and puzzling, for sure is the waiting doing on them at that tageous Traa the Liooar. The house is all through hollers, the childers late for school, the men spending most a day in looking for a tool, and the woman's tired tremendous with cleaning up the floor, and the one that's doing all the deal is that tageous Traa the Liooar. We've a power of foes within us and enemies without, but the one that's doing most the deal is that dirty, lazy lout. So just you take and scotch him and put him to the door, and never let him in again, that tageous Traa the Liooar. Are you for seeing Pagans and things? Do you see the like is in? Cajoling Ben Varara sings and cute little things with butterfly wings that's dancing all right round the mushroom rings. And for Nodries, as imperent as sin. Imperent, aye, and cockty too, and as cutted as the jowl. Ever seen the deal they can do? Stopping the churning and souring the stew and sweeling for devilment like the curlew. Aye. Saying the liquor's in, you says? Gawk, when I took with them once. After being after the basis all day, I went out in the haggart and lay in the hay. And round me the Fanodries began to play and skip and dance and jump, vaulting over each other's backs and every mortal caper, clouting each other little whacks up the ladders and over the stacks like wind scattering leaves ripe as paper. And there was I in a kind of a doze, and the little fellas playing all round me. And one little fella comes up quite close and ups with a fella and tickles me nose. I ups and after the little rascal, and like bees they swarmed round me, aye, and bound me. And all of a sudden they turned me into a horse and drove me helter-skelter down the bruse, through the gorse, through the ling and over the moss. Aye, drove me without a pause, sticking their little spurs into me and ragging and tearing me here and scotched me into a regular swelter. At last I fell, clean out of wind trying to clear a gorse bush. The only dance round me is imperent to sin, and off they goes with a laugh and a grin, leaving me myself again. And there they found me at break of day, all trembling and trying the gorse. Barked, they said, for thee to be saying there's the Penodries that took thee away. But never you mind, never interfere when the little people are at play. They may turn thee into a horse.